Hi, and thank you for joining me. Today I will be showing you how I make my Silver Bling Charger plates. You will need a plain silver charger, E6000 glue, a jewelry making tool, and 3 different sized acrylic flat back gems that are clear in color. With the E6000 glue, I use a jewelry making tip that attaches to the nozzle. This tip allows only a small, slow stream of glue out, and this helps to ensure that I only use a small amount of glue on each gem, and that the charger is clean and beautiful. Now, this yellow tool is called a Bead Buddy bead grabber. I purchased it at Joann Fabrics. As you push the top in, the prongs at the bottom come out and widen, and this allows you to grab various sized beads and place them around the perimeter of the plate. Now, you will need large, medium, and small sized gems. However, I don't know the exact measurements on these gems here because I purchased them in a bag of assorted gems, so it didn't have, the sizes on them. But you can order these type of gems online in bulk by size as well. I purchased the plain silver charger plate from Michaels. These can also be bought online in bulk. Now you want to make sure that you lay each gem flat so that the bead grabber can pick them up quickly and easily. As you can see, I've already started to apply my large gems around the perimeter of the plate. Only a very small dab of the E6000 glue is necessary for each gem. Just apply a dot on the back and place on the plate. After I've applied several gems, I kind of go back to each one to adjust it and make sure that it's flush with the edge of the silver charger. Now, I did forget to show what I do at the end of this phase to make it complete. So sometimes when I'm placing the last gem on, there may be some room left over, but not enough room to place another gem. So what I do to close the space is simply slide each gem over little by little, leaving a very hardly noticeable space until the gems are evenly dispersed. So I've completed the large size gems around the perimeter of the charger, and this first stage is complete. Next, I apply the medium-sized gems. Now these gems are placed right between where 2 of the larger gems meet. This stage is a bit easier than the first because you have the exact space for each bead. Second stage complete. Looking pretty good so far. Now finally, I apply my small sized gems. This process can be tedious at times, but if you just take your time, you'll get through it. I go back to check and make sure all gems are properly placed and that there is no excess glue. If you do find excess glue, you can just take a wet Q-tip and rub it off, but just be careful not to move any of the beads around, or the gems rather. And here is the finished look of the Silver Bling charger plate. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as I will be doing more videos of my projects. You can find this item and more at my Etsy store at www.kqweds.etsy.com. Thanks for watching.